The Kaliningrad region is a highly prospective and developing region of the Russian Federation. Automotive Industrial Cluster. Development of an automotive industry cluster is one strategic goal for Kaliningrad. 122 billion rubles of private and public investment will create a full-profile auto production cluster in the Kaliningrad region. In cooperation with international automobile brands, this project will entail more than 20 factories and create 27,000 jobs. There will also be construction of a new city to be home to 50,000 residents. The budget tax payments in the first 10 years will amount to more than 500 billion rubles. 1 ruble of budget investment will bring over 8 rubles in private investments. Amber industry. In the amber industry, capacity for quality and production will be raised. Comprehensive support of this industry will allow an increasing number of jobs. Amber extraction capacity will grow up to 50%, and the total market value of amber production will increase up to 80%. The number of amber production enterprises will more than double, and the number of production specialists will double. Shipbuilding cluster. A shipbuilding cluster located in the port will be created for ship repair and shipbuilding. Nearly 1.4 billion rubles will be allocated for the support of this cluster. 1.39 billion rubles will be allocated for the support of this cluster. Biochemical cluster. A biochemical cluster will contain 3 investment projects, including propylene glycol, plastics, and polyester resin, produced with total projected investments of 6.62 billion rubles. A multipurpose port complex, also planned, will provide additional annual tax payments totaling up to 420 million rubles. Development of industrial zones and technology parks. Industrial and technology parks will provide the basis of specialized industries in the region. The fiscal payback of these projects in the region will be 6.6 years, with the following industrial parks being created: Khabarovka, Konstantinovka, Chernihovsk, Sovetsk, and the Pravdinsk Industrial Zone. High-technology industrial parks, such as the Yantar Technology Park and the Kaliningrad IT Park, will also be formed. The Khabarovka Industrial Park and Kaliningrad IT Park projects are currently in the process of being launched. The Khabarovka Industrial Park. The Khabarovka Industrial Park will contain companies with specialization ranging from mechanical engineering to nanotechnology. Tax payments from associated enterprises in the year 2020 will amount to 11.27 million rubles. Kaliningrad IT Park. The Kaliningrad IT Park will be an innovation center, which will connect international and Russian IT development. The park will host 300 IT companies and create 2,500 jobs by the end of 2020, which in turn will create more than 6,000 jobs throughout the wider economy. Gas storage. For gas storage, installation of 14 storage tanks with total capacity of 1,112 million cubic meters is projected for construction. This storage will increase the power and security of the region. The Kaliningrad region's main economic indicators will increase substantially by 2020. Labor productivity will in turn double, and we will see an increase of tax revenue to the consolidated budget of up to 79.3 billion rubles in today's terms. Fixed capital investment per capita will be 2.3 times the 2012 index. The gross regional product will increase over 1.8 times, adjusting for price variations. Per capita income will also increase by 2.6 times compared to 2012. With this in mind, the government program will provide the region with growth that is substantially faster than other regions of the Russian Federation and the countries surrounding it.